Hello, welcome to Chun's Kitchen.
Koreans enjoy the Korean style veggie wrap we call ssam, and these are very common vegetables for some kind of lettuce, and we call sangju. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about ssam and ssamjang, a kind of dipping sauce for ssam. I already showed you some with my meat dishes before. Koreans eat some with meat or just with ssamjang dips. You can see this kind of vegetable section in the supermarket, and there's always lettuce or vegetables for some. The most common vegetables for some are broiler leaves and sangju. And you can get this kind of mixed vegetables. Koreans enjoy raw vegetables and cooked kind of steamed vegetables for some too. Koreans also like this kind of kombu for some too. I think you can eat any kind of vegetables you like for some. So I'm going to show you how to make 3 different kinds of ssamjang for Korean wrap. First, ssamjang is really basic one I usually make when I eat with meat or ssam by itself. I usually make this with chopped onion and crushed garlic. Well, crushed garlic, but actually roughly chopped garlic.
일단은 기본적인 쌈 된장 섞어야지.
그냥 우리 시판 된장이지.
이건 시판 된장. 크게 한 숟가락.
My sister uses 2 different kinds of soybean paste, something you can get from the supermarket, and the one she made, homemade soybean paste. But just using the one from the supermarket is okay.
이 정도 좀 얇게. 이 정도 섞어. 그래야지 또 이게 특유의 제대된장 맛이 있어. 그래. 집어넣고 이제 됐어. 얘는 고만 넣어야 돼.
To reduce the salty taste, just add extra ingredient, crushed nuts. So we're going to add crushed peanut and sunflower seed. Any kind of nuts would be right.
많이 먹는 거. 한 이 정도 넣어. 한 숟가락 듬뿍. 그리고 여기서 이제 물이 생기거든. 양파 이런 것 때문에. 그래서 여기서 난 땅콩가루.
They're just juice from the vegetable, onions and garlic, and it could make sauce soggy. Or even from the allulose syrup we're going to add later. So she also used some peanut powder, but it's quite optional.
2숟가락은 넣어야 돼. 알지?
큰술 크게. 그래.
기름이 좀 들어야 맛있지. 그리고 참깨도 좀 나 좋아하는 거.
Sesame seeds and sesame oil is quite important ingredients for this ssamjang. But if you don't have sesame seed, just oil will be enough.
이제 솔직히 2숟가락 넣어야 돼.
2숟가락?
요즘 내가 너무 단 걸 많이 먹는 것 같아. 2숟가락. 알지? 요즘 다른 게 있어가지고 그 정도 넣으면 된다고 봐.
Well, all you have to do is just mixing well.
저 견과류장인지 모르지만 이것도 충분히 짭짤해. 이렇게 한 가지. 이거는 내가 경험치를 봤을 때
The next ssamjang is something I really recommend you to make yourself. So easy and quite tasty. The main ingredients for this ssamjang is mayonnaise, so it will be quite familiar to you. I mean taste. And soybean paste, of course. You can add more mayonnaise if you like, according to your own taste. This time, we just add a little bit of crushed garlic. You might be concerned about garlic smell, but when it meets, oil mayonnaise, it becomes quite mild.
다른 건 안 넣어. 얘만 심플하네. 한 숟가락 이 정도면 돼.
This brown stuff is roasted broiler seed. It's kind of cake, but if you don't have it, just use whole grain mustard instead. It has different taste, but still quite tasty. Wow, my sister keep adding it. Well, as you can see, how much you actually add is really depends on your taste.
이거는 근데 가감이야, 가감.
너도 내겠네 그런 거.
됐어.
좀 거부감 있으면. 됐어?
이건 이제 먹어봐라. 맛있어, 됐어. 어딨지 기름.
The last ssamjang is quite Korean style and need a little bit more effort to make.
여기다가 두 숟가락을 넣어. 됐지? 여기다가 이제 불을 켜. 그리고 여기다가 마늘 좀 볶아야 돼. 한 수저? 좀 크게 한 수저.
After stir frying with garlic and heated oil for a while, then add dried anchovy, crushed like this. I'd like to introduce how to use when Koreans use this dried anchovy for Korean cuisine in the future. Anyway, she adding 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. When you smell the stir-fried garlic and anchovies, delicious smell, it's time to add a chili paste. For the sweetness, we use allulose syrup, but you can just use normal sugar. This syrup makes ssamjang a bit watery, soggy, so going to add chili powder.
이걸로 양이 좀 되겠다. 이거는 근데 비벼 먹어도 맛있겠는데. 그치, 끓여야 되니까 적게 할 수가 없지.
고춧가루. 또 이게
If you made this ssamjang a bit soggy one, watery one, this can be used for bibimbap. But we're going to use this for vegetable wrap, so add 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Gochujang is already salty enough, but adding the soy sauce makes this ssamjang's taste more, rich. Tasty. Keep stir frying ssamjang until it gets thicker with a lower heat. It becomes more thicker when it's cooled down. Turn off the heat and add sesame seeds as much as you want. Well, all the ssamjang's ready. I will show you how to eat Korean wrap. Those 3 ssamjang I made with my sister's recipe, and I prepared different kinds of veggie wrap. Except for these fresh greens, we enjoy this kind of steamed one. Cabbage, collard green, or even grape leaves can be eaten with this ssamjang. And this particular one is kombu, kind of kelp, also slightly boiled. Any kind of lettuce you like would be good with those ssamjang. I'm going to start with collard greens. A bit big, so fold in half first and put it on the hand like this. And then add some of rice on top and choose which ssamjang you're going to have with this. I picked the chili paste one, little bit like this, and then just wrap as you want. It's easy, isn't it? Enjoy ssamjang like this is enough, but frankly speaking, eating ssamjang with some canned tuna or meat is, nicer. Well, this canned tuna drained slightly and just choose another, some. This time I chose soy paste mayonnaise ssamjang. Little bit first, and then put some canned tuna on it like this. Well, you can eat like this, but I will add some rice on top. Wrap it up like this. Make it small to bite at once, not twice. Just put it in your mouth at once. This is the way Koreans eat ssam, and you might be surprised to know how big your mouth is. Anyway, did you enjoy today's video? I hope so.